Embracing your Igbo or African name could have an unexpected result, just like the girl in this story.
Wait till you see this. Her business failed, till she renamed it after her Igbo heritage. Now she's stepping into her rich girl era. Not the typical New York City love story. Neither this much love nor this much success were things she dreamed were possible.
Amarachi sat there looking at her bank account as tears fell from her eyes. This was it. She couldn't afford to keep going anymore. Her dream for her beauty empire had died.
She called her friend to vent, but Bianca refused to let her quit. Sis, I'm gonna give you the number of this beauty entrepreneur I met at a networking event.
Amarachi called her and the rest was history. Chanel was a marketing genius. She helped Amarachi rebrand, telling her to use her Igbo name, invested, adjusted her business model, and her brand took off.
Their success brings all of them into the social circles of loyal and successful high-status men. After finally finding men that they were equally yoked with, the ladies all get married, have daughters, and pass along their life lessons about love and entrepreneurship. Comment culture below if you love your culture.